Most people are spending 40 hours a week doing work that AI could do in 4 minutes, and someone else is getting paid simply for knowing that. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. 6 months ago, I watched a friend charge a client $500 for a project that took her maybe 20 minutes. She used 2 free AI tools. The client had no idea. And she had 4 more clients lined up for the same kind of work that week. Meanwhile, most people are still doing everything the hard way, writing from scratch, editing manually, building things by hand, burning hours they'll never get back. Here's the truth: AI isn't replacing workers. It's replacing the people who refuse to use it. And the gap between those two groups is quickly turning into a serious income gap. So what can you actually make money doing? Let me break it down. Businesses are paying anywhere from $50 to $300 per article for blog posts, emails, and ad copy. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude can draft these in minutes. You edit, polish, deliver. Done. Then there's AI design. Logos, social media graphics, product mockups. Tools like Midjourney and Canva AI make this accessible even if you can't draw a stick figure. Freelancers are charging anywhere from $100 to $500 per project. And the most underrated one, AI automation. Businesses desperately need people who can set up workflows that save their teams hours every single week. Some freelancers are charging $500 to $2,000 to build these systems once, then moving on to the next client. None of this requires a degree. No coding. No expensive courses. Just the willingness to learn a tool and solve a real problem for someone. But here's what nobody talks about. The window for this opportunity is not going to stay open forever. Right now, most businesses know they should be using AI, but they don't know how. That gap is where the money is. You become the person who bridges it. Early adopters of email marketing, social media, and even basic SEO built entire agencies on skills that later became commodities. We are in that exact same moment with AI. Except it's moving 10 times faster. The people who act now are going to build income streams that look almost unfair compared to everyone who waited. And the beautiful thing: you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead. So here's where to start, and I mean today. Pick one skill. Just one. Spend this week learning the AI tool that matches it. Offer your first project for free or at a heavily discounted rate to get a testimonial. Then start charging real rates. That's the whole playbook. 3 steps. The hardest part isn't learning the tool. The hardest part is deciding you're actually going to do it.